7 things you may not know about Hilda Baci and her Guinness World Record Marathon cooking. 1. Her real name is Hilda Baci Effiong. She is a young Nigerian chef from Akwa Ibom State. She owns a food brand in Lagos called My Food by Hilda. 2. She will be cooking for 4 days non-stop. 3. She must stand to cook. She is not permitted to sit while cooking. 4. She is not allowed to take coffee, stimulants, or any energy drink to artificially boost her energy and bodily strength while cooking. 5. She is allowed to eat food, drink water or fruit juice and take glucose. 6. The cooking is taking place at Amor Gardens, Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria. 7. She cooks around the clock. No sleep. Morning, afternoon, evening and night. So for 4 nights, she won't sleep.